Welcome to this evening meditation. Let's take this opportunity to reconnect with ourselves and to balance our energy before we enter the night. I invite you to settle into a comfortable position so you can totally relax and give yourself the space to be undisturbed. Now close your eyes gently and focus just on your breath. Breathing in and out. Allowing your breath to create space in your body, mind, and spirit. Taking a moment here to reflect on your day and ask to be shown the highlights as well as the areas where you may have felt more challenged. Whilst observing them, you may want to scan your body and see whether any sensations, thoughts, or feelings arise. If so, observe them and let them pass through as you continue to focus on your breath. Put your hand on your heart and feel your heartbeat. Welcome yourself back home. Inhale and exhale slowly. Allow your body to become heavier and feel the support beneath you, the energy of the earth grounding you. Now imagine yourself in a place in nature, somewhere that you love and where you can witness the sunset. As the day draws to a close, open up all your senses to the world growing quieter. You may hear the birds bidding the day farewell and greeting the night. Connect to this sacred moment, the quiet, the unknown, which contains deep wisdom. Wisdom that you can call upon to visit you in your dreams tonight. As you deeply inhale and exhale. Imagine the rays of the setting sun filling the sky with beautiful colors. They infuse the landscape you are in and reach to touch the top of your head, illuminating your being. Welcome this light into your body through your crown, supporting you to reset your energy here. You may want to observe whether you felt emotions that prevented you from feeling connected to and trusting in your life's process today. Feelings of overwhelm, anxiety, stress. Imagine the light releasing any uncertainty or lack of trust as you breathe in and out. You may wish to state, I am in purpose and I trust life's process. Breathe in the divine guidance that is available to you. Now feel the sunlight move over your face, calming the mind chatter relaxing your muscles and your jaw. Observe whether you have engaged in limiting beliefs, judgment of self or others today. Ask yourself if you invested your energy in negative attitudes, and take a minute to notice them. And then release them and see the light dissolve them into blessings. Breathing in and allowing the breath to open up your being so that you can take in more light. Embrace where your mindset has been supportive and positive towards yourself and others. These are blessings and raise your vibration. Breathe these blessings in and out. Feeling the rays of light rejuvenate you and provide clarity before you sleep, so you can wake up afresh tomorrow. Now feel the light comfort your throat as it opens up, releasing any part that has struggled with the ability to express yourself, or where you've responded to others in a way that doesn't reflect your soul's integrity. Inhale and exhale deeply and let it go. Call to you the power of will, of choice to bless yourself and others with the words you speak. Now allow the light to enter your chest, moving through your heart and illuminating this magnificent space. Feel the love that pours into you from the universe through this cosmic light. Inhale deeply and let go of any emotions that have been weighing on you, or maybe where you have hurt someone else. Connect to how this has made you feel, and then feel that weight being dissolved, and imagine it being transformed into a symbol of love, of kindness, of peace. Now place this symbol in your heart and set your intention for this to emanate through you from your heart space. As you breathe in and out, you may state, I open myself up to love, kindness, and compassion for myself and others. Now feel the light move down to your belly area as you breathe in and out, the warmth relaxing your abdomen. And feel that expand throughout your entire body, recharging your batteries. You can bring your consciousness to where you felt empowered or disempowered today. Did this bring up feelings around self-worth or self-confidence? If so, take a moment to notice how that made you feel. And then release, and let go of what no longer serves you. You may wish to state, I give myself permission to take up my rightful place in the here and the now. Now place your hands on your lower abdomen and feel the area filled with golden light as you surrender to being held by the universe, the great mystery, life itself. Consider where you have felt a sense of insecurity, lack of support, or of not belonging. If so, observe these feelings and call your energy back to feel the light fill your being, and let it go as you breathe in and out. You may wish to state, I allow myself to be open to receiving life's blessings. Now follow the warmth of the sun move through you, your hips, your legs, feet, and into the earth, anchoring you deeply and reminding you that you belong and that you are truly loved. Allow appreciation to fill your heart for all that is good in your life and to being here, right now, in this moment. Enjoy this moment of deep restoration and stillness. You may ask to be shown your unique strengths and for this cosmic light to radiate them through your heart, your thoughts, and deeds, allowing these blessings to ground you, to deeply nourish you. You are exactly where you need to be right now, beautiful as you are. Now return your attention to your breath and then to your body. Thank you for taking the time to reconnect with your precious spirit and to reset your energy. We all receive your beauty as you radiate your light. Bring your awareness back to the present moment. Take a deep breath in and exhale slowly. I wish you a restful night.